That peaceful cabin getaway, the simple act of cleaning a dusty shed. Hantavirus Pulmonary Syndrome has a 38% fatality rate, turning ordinary activities into life-threatening situations. But what exactly is this mysterious disease? How does it attack so quickly? And can you survive it? Let's uncover the deadly truth about hantavirus. Hantavirus isn't just one virus. It's a family of rodent-borne viruses that cause two distinct diseases. Prevention is everything, because there's no cure or vaccine. Here's how to protect yourself. With no specific antiviral treatment, survival depends on aggressive support. Hantavirus may be rare, but its lethality demands respect. If you develop fever, muscle aches, and breathing difficulties after rodent exposure, seek immediate medical care. Your survival could depend on how quickly you reach an ICU.